In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on your account in a few simple steps. This process is straightforward, and we'll walk through it together, ensuring that by the end, you'll be comfortable navigating these settings on your own. First, what you'll need to do is locate your profile picture. You'll find it in the upper right corner of your screen. Give it a click. This is like opening the door to all the settings options available to personalize your account. Once you've clicked your profile picture, this will open up a drop-down menu. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. Think of this as your command center where all the magic happens in terms of personalizing your account experience. Now that you're in the Settings hub, you'll want to focus on the left side, where you'll find a list of different categories. Here, look for the option labeled General. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find options that let you modify various basic settings that affect your overall account use. As you scroll down in the General Settings section, take your time to familiarize yourself with the various settings. The one we're particularly interested in is found by clicking Manage All Account Settings. This might seem like an extra step, but it opens up a more comprehensive view into your account management, providing you with a greater level of detail and customization. Once you're in the broader account management settings, your task is to find the General tab again. It's easy to spot, and you're probably thinking, why is it asking me to go there again? Well, this section houses deeper, more specific settings than the previous General tab. When you're there, locate the Language section. This is typically situated along the list alongside other personalization options. Click on it, and you'll be able to see the available language options. This is the part where you can truly customize your experience to suit your preferences by selecting the language in which you are most comfortable. Take a moment to browse through the list of languages. Whether it's Spanish, French, Chinese, or any other language, once you see the one you're looking for, you can simply click to select it. Changing the language setting not only affects how you interact with the menu options, but can also enhance your overall comfort and ease when navigating the platform. And that's it. Now you're all set with your preferred language. This simple change can make a big difference in how you engage with and enjoy your experience on the platform. Remember, the more you navigate these settings, the more familiar you'll become with them, making future adjustments even easier. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks in our other videos.